You're doing it every single day. You're browsing and surfing around the internet, and when you find ads that is interesting, you click on them. Now what if you could actually get paid to just click on ads? And what if it was worldwide and totally free to do it? Would you be interested in that? Well, then I have good news for you, because that's exactly what I'm gonna show you in today's video. But first, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. But if you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information I'm going to share with you in today's video here. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to make money online, internet marketing tips, and a lot more. And if you are interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I highly suggest you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to see how we can get paid to click on ads. Alright guys, before we get started here and you go and jump into any conclusions, I'm actually going to share with you a strategy. It's not so important about the sites I'm going to share with you, but more important about the strategies, because that is how you can earn more money and passively. So make sure, as I said earlier, watch the whole video here. First, let's have a quick look at the site. We are talking about headyou.com, and you can see here that we are interested in earning money, of course. So they have paid over $97,000 till this day, which makes them a legit company. And you can earn by looking through advertised websites, as it says here. Now, you earn a commission when your followers are watching ads. You get a reward every time your followers purchase anything, and you get paid via PayPal, Payeer, or Skrill, starting out from $1 single. So it's a quick cash out, and you can do this really fast. Now, we are interested in viewing ads, because you see here that you have other opportunities like doing some tasks and surveys, but let's have a look at view ads section here. And you can see here by just joining, you can actually get $5 and also 5 cents here, 0.05 cents here. So what you have to do is join greenpanthera.com, register for free, and earn $5 in registration bonus. Now, if I go back here, you can see that there is tons of opportunities. So you have to watch these ads and you can get started to earn money. And as you can see, it's not so much, not something that you are going to get rich on. So bear with me, as I said, because I have a strategy for you here regarding this. This is the other site that I wanted to share with you, and it is Scarlet Clicks. You can find it on scarlet-clicks.info, and you can see here that you can click on ads and get paid up to $0.01 each. But here's the cool thing, pay attention, because this is what we are going to take advantage of. It's up to 100% referral earnings. We're going to have a look at it real soon. So you can earn here by clicking on ads, completing offers, and referring new members. You can cash out to Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, ATM, and Bitcoin account. The minimum to cash out is just $2. And you can see here, if I go to the view ad section, they do show you around here. So you can just go ahead and view those ads here, like a GPT Planet. This is another site that you can sign up for also. So definitely worth to do it, okay? Because you can make money from all these sites also. Now here comes the strategy that I wanted to share with you, because this is how you can earn more money with this instead of just clicking on thousands of ads like this here. So how are you going to do it? Well, if we go back here, you can see that it says that you can earn up to 100% referral earnings. So this is exactly what we are going to focus on here. So how are we going to do that? Really simple. You just go to Facebook, you type make money online, you sort it out by groups, and you can see here that you have tons of groups that you can do this. Okay, we have the first one here, make money online. Now you can also type, let's say for example, earn extra money. And you can see that there is more groups here, and you can continue with this, okay? You can just type earn money online, of course. Just go to the groups here, and you can see here the first group, for example, you have 224,000 members. This is so cool. So you can see here you're going to request and you're going to get approved later on here, and you can see that there is a lot of people that is advertising here on the groups, and that is exactly what you're going to do also. Let's have a quick look here at this group. Look at this, interested in earning your first dollar to PayPal inbox me can take you 10 minutes to earn your first dollar. So this is super cool. This was just 2 minutes ago, and a lot of people, they advertise here, and that's exactly what you are going to do here also. Okay, so how you're going to do it, you have to be a little bit creative and pay attention. This is super important. So you want to have something that draws the attention. Look at this, for example. Who else wants to get paid to click on simple ads? Easiest way to make money online, and you can start right away. Comment ads below and I'll send you a private message. This is very important, guys, because I heard you complaining in the past. You can't just go and advertise straight away because Facebook don't like it, and you will have better engagement by doing this, because those who are interested, they will actually leave the message below and you will contact them, and they will feel that they must check it out, of course, also. This is super important. Now, if you have some kind of a graphics, you could actually go to a site like Pixabay, for example. You can see here, you can find images, for example, and use those also. Be a little bit more creative. Look at this, for example. So there is so many ways that you can do this, okay? And be creative and test different things, okay? If you follow me along, you know that I said many times that everything in marketing is a test, and that is exactly what you need to do. Look at this. Who wants to earn money by XYZ? Look at this, are you interested to make $100, and with an image? So it's definitely draw the attention and people will respond here, all right? So make sure you be creative here and test out, okay? Don't just post one time and say that it didn't work for you, because everything is important. I mean, if you post on 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. might make a big difference. If you change your copy, if you change your image. So make sure you test and see what works for you. One day you might not get any results at all, and next day you might get 100 people that wants to know more about your opportunity. And you can go ahead and do this again and again and actually sign up for more sites, so you can do this again and again. The more sites you have there, the more people you share your opportunity, the more money you will make. Now, these are great ways to make some extra money. But if you want to learn how to create a full-time passive income online, making money while you sleep or while you're out and shopping, or how about making money while you're on vacation, spending time with your family, your friends. If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having a boss yelling at you, if you want to make a change and have financial freedom and start to live your life on your terms, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell also to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see here, and you're going to find another video recommendation. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.